Hi guys, so today I'm gonna share kind of a different video creation that we've done. So this is just random video clips that didn't make it into any of our YouTube videos, and different locations, different months. Anyway, I hope you enjoy these random video clips, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click the thumbs up, share it with your friends and family.
This is how real men grind their coffee.
What the heck? So, if any of you are wondering, what does dinner look like in an RV? Well, it depends what size your RV is. Ours is really small. You know, we cook just like normal. Here's our stove. There's our oven. We have it taped because this bottom part slides out when we're driving. Wow, Karma, you're thirsty. Holy smokes, girlfriend. Dave's preparing the meat on the cast iron skillet tonight, not the grill. And we also have asparagus to cook. So cooking is just like normal, like you would cook at home. You know, when you're traveling and you're en route and stuff, it makes sense to do something fast and easy, or have some maybe leftovers prepared ahead of time so you can just pull over, heat it up, and eat it. We're at this beautiful winery, so we're going to have ribeye and asparagus. It's going to be good. Just you wait, Mr. Higgins, just you wait. Officially on our way to Vegas, and last night we stayed at Peggy Sue's Diner, which is an old restaurant that got restored, somewhat restored, but it's fun. You can hear 50s music in the background. And Oh, oh geez. Oh geez. Oh geez. No. Look, crop circles. Just kidding. Oh. You could probably make it down there.
Yeah, I could make it down there.
Oh, oh man. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
You okay?
No. Thank you for not killing us, husband. We weren't even in four-wheel drive. What the heck? Okay, we are at 688 feet, and there's the top of the mountain. I don't know if we're gonna make it, because I don't think the dogs can climb up there, but the views are spectacular, and the dogs are doing great. Yeah, so we're just gonna continue on the trail. There's Dave. Better catch up. It's leaving me in the dirt. It's just leaving me in the dirt. And I can tell you how this YouTube channel is gonna go. Dave's gonna take all the beautiful scenery shots, you know. He's gonna do all the editing. And I'm gonna be the talkative one that people are gonna be like, shut up already, Tammy. God, this woman just does not stop talking.
See, a lot of people just come and have a lot that live in their RV.
Yeah.
Just because you asked me to. After all that I've been through, and knowing how much I love you, I turn and walk away from you. Just because Jesus is my plea. Close to me.
My uncle said, "Yeah, you need to get trimmed up. You're looking kind of shabby."
We can do that right here.
Go, who's that barber? I need to go see him. He does a good job.
He's sober today.
I came on the right day, I guess. I like it just trimmed up, shortened up some, but leave some length.
Okay.
In the,
For me.
Yeah, for my wife.
We'll go a little at a time.
The myth, the man, the legend.
Try living that one down now.
I know, right?
Stay. Stay. Release. And they're off.